Point taken.
Your first time in this car?
I think so. I remember you having this when we went to Polska Chata, but I didn't ride in it at that time.
I will tell you, if you drove the Fury and then you drive this, you're going to be like totally worlds different. Yeah, it's two completely different feels.
It's like that Mustang was trying to like
Intimidate us?
Yeah.
Yeah, we was crossing the line playing chicken.
So do people do that regularly? Muscle car now? Okay.
He just wasn't paying attention, I don't think. I don't know if you've ever been down the street. It's very pretty.
I have not.
I wanted to buy a house on the street actually, and they just kept going for more money than what we could do.
Okay.
So we ride our bikes down through here.
This is a lovely shady road. Love this street.
I like it. All these tall trees. Like, I feel like I'm part of, like, kind of in a woods setting.
Yeah. Sounds like a Camaro.
Ready, sir?
I'm ready, sir. Feels and smells like a Camaro. How does that rate on your list of Camaros you've driven?
And what rating of fun?
Yeah.
It's up there.
It's up there?
Oh, yeah.
I know your dad's 67 tends to hold a special place in everyone's heart.
I mean, that was an awesome car.
But this one, though, it's got to be...
It's
top 5?
Oh yeah. And G-Boogies.
And what?
It's G-Boogies. That was second gear we did. That was not first. Here. It pulls like a mother. You can get in some serious trouble with this car.
I believe it. Like if an officer pegs you doing 100 and a 35.
Yeah. There you go.
That's what that feels like, huh?
Yes. Yes, sir.
It reminds me of John's GTO, actually.
Yeah. John's GTO actually has a little bit more real horsepower than this car does. And now he barely drives the thing. I think he drove it like 300 miles last year.
Oh wow.
Something like that. I'm sorry, did you want to drive?
Oh no, I'm good. I'm good. Remind me again, this was the original engine?
No.
Or?
No, this is a LS engine that I built. I got this car with no motor, no transmission,
That's what it was.
20 different sheets of paint on it. It's been painted every color in the sun, but this is the original color.
This is the original